Goodman Error Code F1 indicates a voltage protection trigger in your HVAC system. This means the system has detected a voltage issue, either too high, over voltage, or too low, under voltage, and has shut down to prevent damage to components like the blower motor or compressor. This safety mechanism is designed to protect your HVAC unit from power surges, wiring problems, or transformer failures. The thermostat will display the F1 code, possibly with a system lockout. The typical voltage range for thermostats is 18 to 32 VAC, and deviations beyond this range can trigger the F1 error. Common causes include wiring problems. Electrical components and connections must be properly maintained to avoid voltage issues. Systems like motors and generators require stable voltage. Similar wiring principles apply to other electrical systems that can affect HVAC voltage. Begin by checking all electrical connections to ensure they are secure. Loose or faulty connections are a common cause of the F1 error. Use a multimeter to test the voltage at the thermostat terminals R, C, W, Y, and G. Confirm you have a stable 24-volt AC supply. Fluctuations indicate wiring or transformer issues. Inspect the transformer for signs of damage or failure, such as burning, scorch marks, or blown low-voltage fuses. A faulty transformer is a frequent cause of F1 errors. If wiring issues are found, replace any faulty or corroded wires. Ensure connections are secure and use the correct wire gauge for safety. Consider installing a surge protector or voltage stabilizer to protect against power fluctuations that can trigger the F1 error. In newer Goodman systems from 2024 onward, check for firmware updates through the SmartBridge platform. This can improve error logging and auto reset features. If the F1 error persists or if your system is under warranty, contact a qualified HVAC technician for professional calibration and repair. Ignoring the error can lead to costly damage like compressor burnout.